Hey everybody, Christian Boyer with TurnDial. I wanted to take a minute to introduce our new SMS and text functionality from the CoreNexa Mobile app. So as you can see here, I'm logged into my app, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little messages button. You can see that there is a red circle with the number 1 on it. That means I have one unread message. So I'm going to just click on that, and then it's going to take me into my message thread, similar to your smartphone. So all you have to do really is click the little add button up at the top right. You enter in the external cell phone number of the person you want to text to. You can enter multiple numbers and do group text as well. And then you enter in your message. You can put attachments on, attach pictures, documents, things like that, just like you do on your cell phone, right from your business line via this CoreNexa mobile app. So if you have any questions, as always, reach out to support@turn-dial.com or call 484-655-1060. Thanks very much.